The LG V20 is ahead, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy XCover FieldPro for AT&T. So this is a new phone for AT&T. So if you guys understand this one, it's available now for AT&T postpaid customers. So it's available now for $36.84 a month. The phone is available for retail at $11.84.99 for the retail price. So this is what the phone looks like. The term of design, this phone looks outdated in terms of design. Y'all see that it has big bezels. It has a 16:9 screen now, so the design of this phone is outdated, of course. So yeah. I think it has one UI on there, but that's what it looks like. It has one UI, so that's pretty good for that. So anyways, it's available in black. It has 64 gigabytes of storage. So it has you have the volume key on the left side here, and this is probably convenience key or something like here. The power button is on the right side, I think. Then you have physical touch buttons for recent, home, and back there. So yeah, and you have a headphone jack somewhere on the phone somewhere. So it says here with the Samsung Galaxy XCover FieldPro shatter resistant 5.1 inch display and large 4500 mAh battery, you can worry less about breaking your phone when you take your internet with you. So this does have a big battery, so that's really good. On the gallery, there's some pictures of this one here. Just showing like some simple videos and stuff like that. So there's the back of the phone right there. It has the back there. It's like rugged, of course. This is a rugged smartphone, so that's pretty good. It looks like the Galaxy. It looks like the Galaxy S7 on the back of the phone. It looks like the Galaxy S7. That's what it looks like. The Galaxy S7. So there's the back of the phone. There's the left side, right side there, and stuff. Top of the phone, you have a headphone jack, and I'm not sure what the hell this is. And probably a charging port at the bottom. Oh man. So yeah, it's showing the design is outdated. Questions, specials on the dimensions of this Galaxy XCover FieldPro is 6.20 inches height, 2.92 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. And the phone weighs a massive 9.3 ounces, so it's a hefty motherfucker. It just has a 5.1 inch display, like I said, QHD. It's Quad HD, so that's a 1 right there, 2560 by 1440 pixels. I think it's a AMOLED display. I think it's AMOLED, so that's pretty good. You have a 12 megapixel dual aperture camera on back with an 8 megapixel front-facing camera. You do have a removable battery, 4500 milliamps, so that's a win. 28 hours talk time, 418. I'm sure that's wrong. It just says 418 days of standby time. I know that's wrong. I know that is. So you have an Exynos 9810 processor and octa-core processor. That's Exynos 9810. 64 gigabytes of ROM, 512 gigabytes of micro SD card expansion, and 4 gigabytes of RAM. Unfortunately, it's running on Android 8 Oreo, probably 8.1 Oreo. So it don't have the one UI. It does look like it's like a 1UI, but I don't think it does. It has the egg. I don't think the oil. I think it has the whatever UI it was before the 1UI. That's what UI this one has from Samsung. I doubt this one gets by. I doubt it, but we'll see. So there's your bands at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 12, 14, 8, 14, 19, 20, 29, 30, 38, 39, 40, 41, 46, and 66. There you have HSPA Plus. There's a 3G things there, and GSM. It's a voice line, which is a quad band AC voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call. Wi-Fi connectivity is pretty good. It is 8211, ABG, and AX, and IR. Outdoor-band Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth 5.8, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. You do have push to talk, so that's what that button is on the left side of the phone. Is a push to talk function. You have enhanced press to talk. First night, press to talk. Notice suppression. Wireless emergency alerts. It takes a nano SIM card. And what actually you got from AT&T is a lot of you got AT&T advanced messaging, AT&T device help, AT&T messages backup and sync, APT, AT&T IQI, AT&T mobile services manager, AT&T real-time text, AT&T remote support, AT&T second transfer, AT&T video call, AT&T visual voicemail, AT&T by calling, Google Pay, Google Search, First Night, Press to Talk. That's from AT&T themselves. And what apps you get from Samsung is Dual Messenger, so you guys have two accounts on one Messenger app, so that's a win. Easy Shine, Galaxy Store, so you can get apps from the Galaxy Store, which I don't recommend because it's trash. You get the Samsung Internet Browser, Personalization Service Client, Samsung Cloud, Samsung Knots, great feature to have, Samsung Windows, Samsung Pass, Secure Photo, Smart Things, Smart View from Samsung. There's no apps. These are all your Google apps. So you guys get Gmail, Google Drive, Google Duo, Google Maps, Google Photos, Google Play Movies, Google Play Music, Google Play Store, and YouTube, of course. And my AT&T provides you with fast, easy account access virtually anytime, anywhere. And like I said, you do get Samsung browser installed. You can get Google Chrome if you want, but the Samsung browser is the default browser for this phone. Your sensors are SF gyroscope, ambient light, and the barometer there. There's a messaging stuff there, music. It's Google Play Music as the default music player. Accessibility there, yeah. Sustainability, product codes, and stuff like that. What you guys get in the box is the quick start guide, charging block, USB-C cable, travel adapter, airframe with PTT button and extra battery. So you get two batteries with this phone, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy XCover FieldPro, now available for AT&T. This is a rugged smartphone. The specs on it are okay. I mean, it's okay. It's not worth $1,100. It's not worth it. I'd say about $500. I'd say maybe about maybe a few hundred, probably $300, $400, $500, but not $1,000. This one's not worth $1,000. If you guys pay $1,000 for this phone, you guys are stupid. So if you guys are looking for a rugged phone on AT&T, the XCover FieldPro could be your phone. You can look out to check out. It just has the push to talk function, so that would be great for construction workers and stuff like that. It's available now for $11.84.99 per retail or $36.84 a month. So if you guys don't care about design or specs, This one could be for you. Like I said, this one design is outdated. This has the big ass bezels, 16 by 9 screen. So you're not getting the latest and greatest. You're not. It runs under order. I doubt it will update it. So if you guys, like I said, if you guys are looking for a rugged train for AT&T, and y'all guys don't care about specs or design, this one can be worth checking out. I do like the fact that the front is rugged. I do like that, but the design is outdated. The specs are okay. I mean, they're not great, but it's not worth $1,100. It's not. I mean, maybe $300-400, maybe, but not $1,100 now. It's not worth that money. And like I said, if you guys pay $1,100 for this one, you guys are stupid. Yeah, it's not worth $1,100. It's not. But if you guys do construction or stuff like that, this could be a fine for you. Like I said, it's a record. If you guys don't care about design or specs, this one could be worth checking out. Like I said, it's not worth $1,100, maybe $300-400 maybe. So, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy XCover FieldPro, now available at AT&T for $36.84 a month, or $1184.99 full retail price. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If that's me I want, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.